Alright, welcome again to the Trade Focus YouTube channel, guys, and today also let's have a look at the gold market over here and let's find out what will happen to the gold market for the next couple of hours, like within 24 hours. And before we continue the today analyze, if you can remember my previous yesterday gold analyze, we expected that these reversing areas market will go down from this area and as well market will go up around this area. Now we can see exactly as we predicted, market just reversed exact our reversing areas, and as well you can see the previous analysis too over here. These are the previous analysis that you have done in the previous videos. You can watch those all videos. I'll put the link in the description. And let's have a look at the current market situation and let's find out what will happen to the market for the next couple of hours right now. And like I mentioned in the previous video, we can still see the currently market has a down wave, a clear up and down wave, but the sellers are strong. From here to here we can see these down waves are still strong, but when looking at the previous down wave and the uptrend, the sellers are kind of getting weak. They are still controlling the market, but they are getting weak. The previous downtrend from here to here is strong, but this downtrend is kind of getting a distance of the downtrend is getting weak, right? So currently we can assume that the downtrend, the sellers are getting weak just like that, right? Like this market is trying to make a new high and low points very quickly. Buyers and sellers are trying to get struggling over here, and buyers are trying to make a new uptrend. But however, within these market consolidations, we can make long trades and as well short-term trades, short trades, scalping, day trading, like that stuff. So the first reversing point for me currently, we can see market up move. This up move will be ended just around here, right over here, and then we might be able to take some weak slow market down wave, and I still feel that market will continue and broke through this line to up to these areas after create some market consolidation. So market down reverse from this area, and market will go up again to up to these areas and reverse to the downside. So that's what I can see currently in the market for the down waves, down reverse points. And then after that, market will go down up to these areas, and then market will go up reverse around, I think, let's see, around this area, right? Around here, right? Just about below the previous low point. Not exactly from the low point, like below the low point, just around here. This is the up reverse point for me. These are the down reverse points for me. So this middle reverse point for me, just make some scalp trade, like few pips, right? Like 20, 30 pips, like that stuff we can make. And after that, market probably there's a possibility to break through this line over here and touch this line. It goes down again. But we're looking at the large scale of the trend as a main trend. Sellers are about to give up the market, but is still controlling the market. Sellers are trying to make a new low points, but buyers also trying to make a new high points too, at the same speed, right? So that's why buyers and sellers are struggling over here. So let's see what's going to happen in the future. I'll update with another video, and keep in mind these reversing points. See you guys again. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.